That was not glamorous. And today we're doing a little bit of a Vogue parody, and I'm going to show you my very extra beauty secrets. I'm gonna drop this camera. Okay, so first thing, most people would start with their face. I'm actually gonna start with my body. The first thing I always do is put on body makeup. I actually ran out of it this morning, so I had to go to Ulta before I started filming this video, but I use Vita Liberata Body Blur. It's great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on all over my body. Now my body looks really tan and my face looks really white, so I have to put on foundation. I use the Makeup Forever HD stick. I've been using this for like years. Actually mix 2 shades together that don't go at all. Don't laugh, I know I don't know what I'm doing and I know it's wrong, but whatever. I do what I want. By the way, I use knockoff beauty blenders because I'm cheap. This was like $2 from Ross. Pop on a little concealer too. Fabulous. So cute, we love it. I'm a big Kim fan, so I use KKW Beauty to contour. Good stuff. Again, just kind of, I don't know. I'm the worst beauty guru in the world, but whatever. Cute. We use some setting powder to kind of set it all in. I love DIY, so we're gonna give ourselves a little DIY nose job with some powder. This is so up close, it's horrifying. Highlighter on there. In fact, we're gonna add highlighter everywhere because Insta Glow is very important. On our cheeks too. Ooh! Look at that, sis. Yes, honey. So now that we have a new nose and new cheeks, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyes. By the way, if you clicked on this video for like an everyday tutorial, my everyday tutorial is really like 85 steps and it's like the same amount of steps as prom makeup, but you know, we're getting there. What else do you have to do right now? Probably a lot of things. So thanks for choosing to waste your time with me. Anyways, continuing. Now we're gonna throw some eyeshadow on. This is Chanel because I'm a hoe for Chanel. But this is just like a random brown. As if my beauty routine wasn't weird enough, you might have noticed that half of my eyebrows are gone. That is because I actually shaved them off for a video one time. So anyways, yeah, I only have half eyebrows, but as if that's not weird enough, the other weird thing that I do with my eyebrows is I actually use edge wax to keep my eyebrows in place because they're wild. So literally put edge wax on them to keep them in place. It's not going anywhere now. I'm gonna use Anastasia Brow to literally draw my eyebrows on. Cute. One of my signature things is my winged liner. So I actually do a liner on the inner corner and the outer corner. We got Marc Jacobs and we got Kat Von D tattoo liner. So this one goes on the inside. This is so creepy to watch. Get that inner corner too for a little extra sass. I use all different kinds of lashes all the time. Today we're gonna use Kiss lashes. Where are they? Little caterpillars of beauty. I've been doing this every day for like 10 years, so I'm a pro now. As you can see, lashes change everything. I now look like a different person, so. The most important part of any look is lashes. They literally change the whole thing. So we got that. Now, I also do bottom mascara. Bought some mascara for that. I wish there was a glamorous way to do this, but everyone always looks crazy doing this. Oh yes, cute. I've almost dropped the camera like 45 times. So now I'm gonna do my lips. My favorite color is KKW Beauty Lip Liner Nude 1. So I'm just gonna put that on my lips. And we're gonna hella overline them because we all know bigger is better. This is actually ColourPop, but I've used it so much you can't really tell, but we actually need more highlighters, so we're gonna put some on our collarbone. I always highlight my body too. Ooh. And my shoulders. Yes. Insta Glow. The more the merrier. I always spray on perfume, so today we're gonna go with Viva La Juicy. It's one of my favorites. Throw on a little setting spray or a lot of setting spray. Oh la la! And there we go. That is my everyday makeup routine. I know I did everything wrong, but honestly it looks good in the end and that's all that matters. Thanks for watching. I love ya. Remember, stay extra always. Kisses. Till next time. XO. And now I have to clean this up. The struggles of it being a parody.